as Ripple continues to prevail in its legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which has been going on for almost 2 years. XRP is looking good. Another significant win for XRP in its ongoing legal dispute with the SEC. The price of XRP has increased by 8.5% during the previous week as it approaches the 52 cents barrier level. A U.S. District Court judge issued an order on September 29 directing the disclosure of emails and other correspondence sent by William Hinman, the former director of the SEC Corporation Finance Division. The court is looking for documents related to a speech given by Hinman in which he said Ethereum wasn't a security because it was sufficiently decentralized. Much like Bitcoin, with this development, Ripple has improved its chances of winning the ongoing legal struggle with the SEC. Given that XBR's price is indicating a positive momentum, it would seem that it is ready to react appropriately. XRP in a bottom rounding pattern. The XRP coin is currently following a rounding bottom pattern in the cryptocurrency market, which is a bullish reversal pattern that is typically seen at the bottom of bearish markets. It typically indicates that sellers have run out of steam after a decline and that buyers have retaken trend control, which typically sparks a recovery rally. The third week of September saw a huge gain for the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, perhaps as a result of the good attitude surrounding the Ripple SEC legal battle. Even if XRP is just down 0.5% against the dollar, it is still trading above 1.5% to 3% against Bitcoin. The price of XRP is now nearing levels seen in summer 2021 after rising more than 50% against Bitcoin over the previous 3 weeks. What may be the cause? There may be a number of causes for this XRP price movement. The primary factor, of course, is the impending resolution of the legal dispute between the SEC and Ripple, in which the latter is attempting to have XRP classified as a security. Given recent significant developments in this lawsuit, it appears that XRP and Ripple are already winning, but we still have a long way to go. The second, albeit less apparent, cause may be the story of the day involving SWIFT and its CBDC tests. With CBDC, SWIFT successfully tested various technologies. Commercial banks and the central banks of France and Germany were both parties to the trials. They thought about how CBDC might be applied internationally and even changed into fiat if required. Such news in the same industry is advantageous to investment valuation given Ripple's substantial expertise in digital currency technology, using specifically XRP in its cross-border operations, and the company's involvement in the digital dollar project. However, because of its ambitious aim, it must contend with rivals like Ripple. Since Ripple officially contested SWIFT on cross-border payments in 2016, the blockchain has been gaining traction as a SWIFT replacement. Cross-border payments have already been surpassed by Ripple, the blockchain company that created XRP, thanks to its first ledger architecture. Along with MoneyGram, Travelex, a Brazilian bank, and Tranglo, an Arabian behemoth cross-border payment service provider, the blockchain company also has a war chest of partners. Ripple stands out from other service providers thanks to its superior payment speeds of 4 to 7 seconds and significantly lower fees, in addition to its enhanced security measures. Despite the fact that SWIFT is a key component of global finance and appears ripe for disruption, an upgrade to blockchain technology may be long overdue. Now that you're up to speed on the Ripple case and rising price, let's get into one of my favorite tokens everyone seems to ignore. It's not blockchain, it's Hashgraph. And one thing I found so interesting with this coin is that Bitcoin was written with a hash function, but seamlessly people overlook Hbar. Hbar is the only public ledger that employs Hashgraph consensus, a more secure and faster alternative to blockchain consensus mechanisms. Hashgraph, developed by Lemon Baird, Hedera's co-founder and chief scientist, efficiently verifies transactions while maintaining the highest level of security to prevent malicious attacks. With its innovative gossip about gossip protocol and virtual voting, Hashgraph achieves high throughput with 10,000 plus transactions per second today and low latency finality in seconds. Once consensus is reached, the transaction is immutable and visible to everyone on the public ledger. Beginning October 1st, the Lighthouse report will feature Hbar's comprehensive ecosystem as well as a deep dive into key community and enterprise initiatives. With this sponsorship, it will bring transparency to the community. The Lighthouse report was developed by Google. It analyzes the following aspects of a URL: performance, progressive web app, accessibility, best practices, and SEO.